Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ramen with a kettle. First, fill your electric kettle with about 2 cups of water, which is typically enough for 1 serving of instant ramen. Plug it in and let it heat up until it reaches a rapid, rolling boil. While the water is heating, open your ramen package and have the noodles and seasoning packet ready to go. This simple method is perfect for quick meals when you don't have a stovetop available. Once your water is boiling, carefully pour it over the dry ramen noodles in a heat-safe bowl. Make sure the noodles are fully submerged. Then, cover the bowl with a plate or a lid to trap the steam. This helps the noodles cook evenly and quickly. Let them steep for about 3 to 5 minutes or until they reach your desired tenderness. After the noodles have steeped, you can drain some of the excess water if you prefer a less soupy ramen. Then, add the seasoning packet and any other ingredients you like, such as a dash of soy sauce or a few drops of sesame oil. Stir everything thoroughly to ensure the flavor is evenly distributed. Your delicious kettle ramen is now ready to enjoy. To elevate your kettle ramen, consider adding some simple enhancements. A soft-boiled egg, some chopped green onions, or even a few slices of cooked meat can make a big difference. For an extra kick, try a dash of sriracha, or for a creamy texture, stir in a slice of American cheese. Don't forget to check the description for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals to make your life more comfortable. Enjoy your customized, easy-to-make ramen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.